Polarization in dielectric, when electric field is applied, positive charge carriers will move in the direction of the electric field and negative charge carriers will move opposite to the direction of electric field. So finally formation of dipole takes place. In case of polar, if you have it is have permanent dipole, when electric field is applied, these dipoles are aligned along the direction of the electric field. And in case of polarization, so it is the limited case when volume is going to shrink, then dipole by del V is going to give us the polarization. Its unit is the coulomb per meter square. And this polarization in terms of susceptibility, and due to polarization, flux density is going to increase. That is D equal to epsilon naught E plus P. Okay. And this is the general flux density, and due to P, flux density is going to increase. And here we have non-polar polarization. That non-polar dielectric means hydrogen and oxygen. Polar means what we have, water and sulfur dioxide.